Alright guys, let me do a follow-up here. I know I said I was going to try to do a step-by-step, but there's just too many steps to stand here. I don't have a tripod or nothing, but you can see I got it on. Both the front and rear cross members are on. You can see I got the calipers hanging there. It's one of the nice things about working in a shop. Drive shafts all back on. Wait a minute, let me get my light out here, guys. You can see drive shafts all on, it's all in. I got one control arm on. I'm working on this so I can hit it. I'm going to maybe turn this front one around here. Damn thing. I might turn this around. I don't know. I just want it a little easier when I go to air gun these in. But I don't have the air gun on full force, just enough to tighten it up. You can see differential. Differential is actually easy. It's actually light. One husky guy or two of you should be able to drop that right out. Pretty easy. Up here's there's the vent line. You can see I already got the extension back on it, down on. I'm going to buy a clamp for down there, but actually it is on pretty tight. So, but everything's tightened up front. You can see the mess I have here. Cut that off. That was original. I got to put the 6-inch towers on these yet. I got to switch the hubs over to the new knuckles also. So, but yeah, I know on the Rough Country website it says it will not fit the Pro4x, and so far really haven't had any problem. I let it down. It don't really come down. I let the truck down on the ground, and the back really didn't come down much. But these are stock wheels. Finally got my rims. I got tires I already bought, but I think I'm going to sell them because they're only 31 inch. And that's what these are just about, 31 inches. So I went and ordered 35 inch, which I think will fit pretty easy. We'll see. I know I saw a couple videos where guys took this off, but we'll see what happens when you get to it. I got running boards coming because this thing's going to be high, and I am an old man, so. But this is it, guys. So you got all my parts and kind of a mess, but it's an organized mess. What else? Sway bar. Some guys say don't put it back on, but I'm going to put it back on, you know. I could probably leave it off because I don't really do any four-wheeling. You know, I'm just going for the look. Something I've always wanted to do. I've been involved in race cars, building them, blah, blah, blah. But never had a truck, lifted truck. So I guess, I don't know, call it my bucket list or whatever. And the back, there's the shocks, and it was all pretty. One thing I did notice, the instructions are wrong. This is one I printed off the Rough Country website. Now you can see they have the correct photos here on their website when you download this and print it out. They come to the one that they sent me, and it says, where's it at? Oh, use thread locker on drive shaft bolts. See photo 44. Install drive shaft. What the fuck? $1,000 investment and they can't even get, you know, the instructions right. Whatever. But, all right, guys, I'm going to get back to work here. Like I said, sorry I didn't do step by step, but, you know, you guys have any questions, man, just, you know, post it there in the comments and we'll get to it, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I usually check YouTube every day, so. But I don't know, I think I only have like 9 subscribers, so. That's cool, though. I ain't worried about it. Like I said, being a brand new truck has helped, too. No rust, you know. So that makes it a lot easier. But, all right, guys, I'll talk to you here in a little bit. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.